In this video I'm going to talk about the text box element. Now I think this is one of the easiest and most simplest element in the page builder. It has only one purpose, to add text inside it. So I'm going to create a new page and I'm just going to say text box demo element. Element demo. Looks sounds much better. I'm going to publish the page, and now I'm going to edit this page with Page Builder. Now let me just make this page look a bit better by adding custom subheader, and I'm going to add a section here. And now let me search for the text box. This is the text box element. As you can see, it's a very simple element with mainly an editor right here with some text. Now in the previous versions we had some options in regards to the title, but let me just add some content here. I will use my dummy text extension called corporate ipsum. It will add some text right here, and this is the text. Now if I'm going to save, as you can see, there's absolutely nothing special about this text. What's interesting though is that you can customize this text. For example, you might want to add, I don't know, a heading right here, just a heading. Well, if you want to add a text or just a block of content or whatever, use this element. Is very simple. So yeah, one second, I'm just going to add just a title here, and I'm going to leave style 1. Now the thing is, this option was back in the earlier versions, but now in this version 4 we have an awesome element called title element, and you can add a title in and a subtitle, and with a ton of options, with the symbols, with decorations, with a description text, or even title heading or whatever. I think this this element really covers any possible option in regards to a title. It's really complex, and I highly suggest to have a look at this element video too. So this is it. This is the text element. One second, because I also wanted to show you the style too. Basically this is a normal title. To be honest, do not use these options at all. Try to stay away from them, as we're deprecating them, and we're going to rely on better elements like title element. And we only kept these two options right here because of course we wanted to maintain backwards compatibility with the earlier versions and the older installations, so we cannot just simply remove them. So moving on, we have the top and bottom padding sliders right here, which are pretty cool. I mean, for this thing you should have added the spacer element, and it would have been I don't know, a bit more complicated, but this makes sure This makes sure things go smooth and easy. So this is the text box. Another thing that I love about this element is that you can also place shortcodes inside. For example, we're planning to expand this editor right here to support the shortcodes button right here, but there are some problems, and we're still trying to hack this editor to add the shortcode button into the front end. Now moving back to the, let me just close this one and I will click on the edit page. You will understand why. For example, here we have the default WordPress editor, and you can simply choose the shortcode button in the toolbar. Like I said, I really hope we're going to solve this problem in the future, but for the moment an easy workaround is just to, I don't know, just use this right here, let's say a tooltip. As you can see, I just clicked on it. I'm going to say, yeah, I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm just going to copy this and go back, and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, yeah, 1 second, I'm going to publish this and I'm going to click on the view page so you can see the actual change. So as you can see, this is a tooltip right here, tooltip title. So you can pretty much add any shortcodes. For example, many people have asked for a shortcode container or an element where they can add their own custom shortcodes. For example, a custom slider, and they wanted to add their shortcode in a specific element. So you can use this one and you can place it at the very top, and basically the shortcode will take action, and or if you want, you can move the whole section, why not? And let me just, yeah, and as you can see, let me just remove this one, and you can add, you can do almost everything. It's very flexible and very customizable. So if you have any troubles with this element, although I doubt about it, but you can subscribe to our support forums and my colleagues will assist you there. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.